Hey there, welcome to Sla Art Refinishings. My name is Garrett, and in today's video, we'll be talking about this cordless battery-operated Milwaukee sander that I got from Amazon for around 100 bucks. Before I get into it, here on the channel, I upload a new video every Sunday at 7 p.m. I like to refinish and flip furniture for a profit, so if that sounds of any interest to you, be sure and hit the subscribe button down below and check out my other past projects that I've done. I got this sander from Amazon for around 100 bucks last summer, and so far I like it. It's got a nice, small, sleek design. It's easy to grab onto and manage to sand something with one hand. The nicest part of the sander, not all sanders have this, is a little speed dial here. You can control the speed at which the sander will spin the sandpaper. That way you don't burn through a bunch of sandpaper so quick. And on the bottom, it does suck up some of the sanding dust. It doesn't catch every particle that's in the air, obviously, but it does help out just a little bit. And it contains that dust right here in this little pouch box. I like the sander because it's portable, lightweight. You can take it anywhere and it'll get the job done. On the negative side, I guess this isn't specifically the sander's fault, but the batteries don't last all that long. I can probably get 10-15 minutes out of the battery before it dies. So that's definitely a drawback, and I wish that I would have gotten a corded sander because I do a ton of sanding and a lot of different pieces that I work on. So if you're doing a ton of stuff just like me, you'll probably want to go for the corded sander. However, if you're just doing a single piece and, you know, it's just kind of a nice thing to have around the house, I mean, for the convenience, it's very nice. But if you're doing one or two pieces and that's it, I mean, the cordless can be the way to go. This is currently the dresser that I'm working on right now, and we're gonna put my Milwaukee sander to the test and see how quickly I can sand down this dresser right here. Look how sweet that looks. Oh, it's sandy, bro. Your bag might be blue on the bottom now. Oh no. Bye. Safe travels, man. After about 15 to 20 minutes of continuous sanding, my first battery finally died, so now it's time to pop it on the charger and put the new fully charged battery on the sander and get back to work. The current time is 5:15. Let's see how long we can go until the next charge. The time is now 3:43. My sander just died. Speaking of my sander just dying, as I was recording that clip, my GoPro died too. So on that fully charged battery, I ended up getting about 20 minutes of charge. I did stop here and there to swap out the sandpaper. And as for the old dead battery that was sitting on the charger, it wasn't until another 15 minutes later until that dead battery was fully charged and ready to go. So the dead battery took a solid 45 minutes to charge out in the cold garage that day. I hope you enjoyed this video and can now make the decision if this sander would be a good fit for you. I really do like the sander, however, I wish that the life of the sanding would last a little longer with the batteries, considering that these batteries were pretty expensive to buy. I believe they were 100 bucks a piece, and they didn't come with the sander. Right now, I am kind of looking for a corded sander because I do so many projects, but that decision, whether it is a good fit, is up to you, and hopefully you got a little bit of clarity on whether it is meant for you or not. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I upload a video every Sunday at 7 p.m. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day for watching this video. If you have any comments or questions down below, please put those down there and I will answer them. Thank you so much. Take care. Have a great day.